As an admin, overseer, or director in the Christian library, you might want to get books and you're wondering, how do I do that? I've gotten questions and I decided to do this just to help out. So you go to the Telegram, you enter where you want to, and that's the Christian e-library for today. Now, when you enter the Christian e-library, it looks like this. Then you click at the top. You see some information here: info, invite link, notifications. Go down a bit. You see members, media, files, links, and music. Now, books are files, so you click on files. Here are books. Okay, these are all books. So you click on the particular book you want. Let's say lesson from the book of Acts. When you download it, now it's already downloaded. You click on it again so that you can send. It opens up. Done. It's open. Now, this arrow, the first arrow here, the icon here, is when you want to go back. Next thing is lessons from the title of the book in part. This is the search icon, and this is Drive. If you want to send it to Drive, the three dots here, you click on it. If you want to send it to someone or to a library, you will see the options. Send file, open with, download, print, feedback to Google. You click on send file. A list pops up here. If the place you want to send it does not appear, you click on WhatsApp, if it's WhatsApp or wherever it is you want to send it to. Open. For me, it's WhatsApp, so I'm opening the WhatsApp. I'm sending it to myself. If you want to add a caption, you can. But I don't want to add any caption. And click. And it's done. Now, if maybe you came to, I'm going back to Telegram. Maybe the book you're looking for, you didn't find it. Let me just type in any name. You scroll up, you see this search icon here. Click on it. Let's see. Let me just type in spiritual. I don't know if there's a book like that. Spiritual husband. Oh, it looks like, okay, let's say I'm looking for a book, Spiritual Husband, I didn't find. So you go back, then you come here. Oh, sorry. You type in the name of the book, Spirit Husband. And don't forget, in the Christian library, we have a format for requests. Don't forget the name of book, the author, and then the series or volume. I believe this video helped.